Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope everybody's having a good day. It's nice out, so we're gonna work on the car and maybe try to get the intake manifold, everything buttoned up. Got transmission fluid for it, so hopefully we can maybe get her running today. Stay tuned. Alrighty, intake's ready to go on. Just got to get in here and clean up the cylinder heads a little bit. We got our knock sensor harness to install. Knock sensors are in there. Like I said, they're the original ones. I hope they work. I hope they're still good. Let's get to it. Undoing your connectors, watch out for these little guys. They sit up inside the connector there. I think that came out of my throttle position sensor. Yep. This is a little barrel nut for the cable. Throttle cable. Hopefully I can get this back in here. If any of you have ever messed with aftermarket dipsticks, you know that song and dance. We're going to run a combination of Type F and Dextron 3 in this trans.
One eternity later.
Alright, guys. Alright, just do a little quick, at least how I assemble these ptfe hoses. Put yourself a piece of masking tape where you make your cut, and what I'll do is take and use like a little 4-inch angle grinder with a cutoff wheel on it, and instead of just cutting all the way through it once, I'll go around it and I'll cut the braid off of it and just keep, you know, like make a slice around, turn your hose till you work yourself through the braid all the way around, and then cut through it, and that'll help keep that braid, a little focus here, from fraying on you. So that's how I do it. I just have a little piece of angle or aluminum block here that I use to lay it against and cut it there and sit you up like this. Now on these, what you'll end up with too is you'll get a little bit of the PTFE. It kind of, you know, you get, I don't know what you want to call it, some burrs in there. Just take a razor knife in there, kind of go in and clean it out a little bit. That way, when you put your ferrule down on there, it doesn't catch it and bend your PTFE up, because then it will leak on you. Something about like that. It's cleaned out. Now, don't take your tape off yet. What you gotta do here, you got, these things are 3 pieces. So you got your nut, and then you got the little ferrule here. So what we gotta do first, gotta get our nut over there. If you take this tape off, the braid's gonna like come out, it'll flare out, and then you won't be able to get your nut on. So let's take it, give it a couple of turns. Alright, now that went past there, now we want to take our masking tape off, like so. And then you're going to want to take, let's see here, get yourself a little pocket screwdriver and just kind of make sure that braid is away from the hose there, like so. See that? And put your fitting on there. Make sure the inner liner is pushed all the way in. You see it's bottomed out there on the inside lip. A little oil or something on the threads. Never go in dry. There you go. It's in there. Now run your nut up on. Get your thread started. There you go. Now you just gotta tighten it up. Guys, don't do yourself a favor. Don't buy a set of line wrenches like so, you know, that are marked like 4, 6, 8, 10. Because I can tell you, they never frickin' fit. Now, look, it'll fit this. It'll fit the actual nut for the fitting, but it doesn't fit the darn nuts, you know, on the body of the fitting to cut into the hose. So, if you're in that predicament, well, what I should have done is I should have spent the money and got like a pair of adjustable, they look like adjustable wrenches, but they're aluminum AN line wrenches. If you got a pair of them and they're adjustable, they're going to fit whatever fitting you got. What you can do if you're in a pinch, if I find the right size here, take some masking tape, go over your wrenches, and that will help reduce, it's not going to eliminate, but will help reduce the chance of you marking up your nice new fittings here. Worst thing is, I need, where's my adjustable wrench? Holy crap, Batman, I actually do have 2 3/4 inch wrenches. Oh man. I usually tighten these up. You might have a slight gap between the nuts, but you'll feel, I mean, these things start getting pretty tight. Remember, they are aluminum. Don't freaking strip them out. There you go. Leak free. And we didn't even scratch up the fitting too bad. So here's what we got. Everything is hooked up except for back here. I gotta hook this line into this line, and I need a union, which I don't have. So I just gotta get a 6AN union for that, but everything else is hooked up. So hopefully you can see the, like, there's the return, goes around. So yeah, back to waiting again. Did get some trans fluid in it, so hopefully maybe, I don't know, maybe tomorrow I might run out to the local place, local speed shop. Maybe they got some fittings, or maybe a buddy of mine might have one. I gotta run, that's trans brake wire. Not sure, I might make up, like, right in here a little panel for, like, the bump box, and maybe some switches. I gotta hook up trans brake buttons. So anyhow, it's coming along, we're getting there. So it's probably gonna be about all for today's update video. So once again, thanks for watching, guys. Comment, hit the like button, helps me out, and don't forget to subscribe if you like what we're doing here. And so yeah, everybody have a good one. Keep it shiny side up. We'll catch you later.